that heavier.
Lift yours up so he can get his in. There you go. Just come right.
Well, today we picked up our couch finally, after 2 weeks, and that's what they told me it would take. Mattress is over here. Top portion of the couch is right here. I don't know if you can really see anything except just the white leather. And we've got more to take out of the back of my truck. So let's get it all in here, and then once we start to put everything back in and together, we'll take some pictures then to show you what it looks like as it's going together and the finished product. This end is going to go
I'm going to turn it that way.
it's not past the there we go. That end goes in and this end is. You ready?
Yep.
I can walk it down.
Okay.
You got that in?
Yep.
Because I'm going to lift this end up.
Okay.
Let me figure out.
You gotta grab that piece.
Okay.
Otherwise it's gonna slap you right in the face.
Gotcha.
What is?
That right here.
No, it won't.
I can hold on to that and that.
That's what I got.
Yeah, but this isn't as loaded as I thought it was. Hold on, I gotta make sure.
I think we're good.
Okay, yeah. Because this piece goes in first.
Yeah, I got it.
Sure.
Yep.
I only offer once.
If I don't, I'll fucking fall on you.
You know you gotta lift it straight up in the air.
Yeah.
We're good. Go ahead, make your spin.
I believe it's like this, isn't it?
That's what I don't remember. But usually you is this?
Yeah, that's where you grab it and pull it out. Yeah.
How do we get them screws? We fold that out before? Oh, no. I'm trying to remember which way.
That's how we did it.
I think this was to the.
Yeah. Because that's the only way you can get
This
to
goes in there, and this,
Was here, like that.
yeah,
And then we had to get in there and.
we're gonna be good to go.
Yep.
Are you red eye?
Let's do it. Or something. Okay. Go all the way back, now we can go forward.
Okay. We're in.
Alright, let's get a screw into the front.
We'll get a screw into the back first since.
I don't know if I get back there until we lift it up, because if we put it in the front, we get killed. Like pivot.
If we put it in the back, then I can pull the front up. Because remember, you're getting the front
Up, down.
I don't know.
In the hole.
That's what she said. No, you're doing good.
Right there, right there.
Yeah, but it's on an angle. It's not where it's supposed to be.
You gotta go like 4 inches tall or higher.
4 inches high?
Yep. The back bracket. See the spring. There you go. Keep doing it. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep
I'm
going.
gonna keep this one from kicking out.
It ain't gonna.
That can't kick.
If I move my leg, it where it was.
Hold still. Hold still.
Whoa.
Is it in there?
Damn. Yep.
You're gonna need to get out of there. Cause this just slides.
Yep.
This end is gonna go over to you, Rick.
I got it.
Seems like it got heavier.
There's real material on it.
Down. In between. Hold on. Yours has got to go over about 2 inches.
Yep. It won't until it goes
Well,
up.
hold on.
Mine's in. Well, going in.
Well, you have to lift yours up so he can get
Yep.
his in. There you go. It's coming right down to you. There you
Okay,
go.
I'm in.
There was no type of keeper screws?
No.
on that? Just sits there. This is the bottom. This is the bottom.
This is the
tab
top.
here.
Let's see.
Spin it.
There we go.
No, the other way. This is the bottom.
Sure, there's the tag.
Yeah, but I don't pay attention to the tag.
No, because usually I rip them off.
What I do is I look at where all stuff is tucked in,
Oh, okay.
because all this shit came off.
Got the magic glues there.
It'll all settle once you sit on it.
There you go.
I hope so.
Bada bing, bada boom.
That looks nice.
So,
No Sharpies, no screwdrivers in your pockets.
couch back in. Done deal. And I don't look forward to doing this anytime soon again. Don't forget to subscribe. Here you go. If you're in Las Vegas and you'd like this gentleman to do some work for you, hit us up in the comments and I'll transfer all the information over. And if you don't want to do that, it's ABC Discount Upholstery off of Fremont Street in Las Vegas. Catch you later.